All right, let's have a look at number 2. We can see a system of inequalities, or actually equations here. And so just looking at it right away, do we have any variables that are isolated or any variables with a coefficient of 1? Quick answer is no. So probably we're going to need to use elimination method here. We could use graphing, as we could always use graphing, but obviously that's not a very practical way of solving a system of equations. So let's go ahead and we're going to decide, well, I could eliminate the x values or the y values. And what I want to do is try to make the coefficients of one of those variables the same. Okay, so 3 and 2 is not the same. 4 and 3, these coefficients are not the same, so we're not going to get rid of any variables. But what we could do is multiply each equation by a constant. So if we multiply this one by 2 and we multiply this one by 3, the entire equation, that's going to leave us with 6x here and also 6x here, so that we will have the same coefficient that we can subtract from each other. So let's go ahead and rewrite that. So that's going to be 6x plus 8y is equal to 24. In this case, again, 6x plus 9y is equal to 21. Okay, now we're ready to do some elimination here. If we subtract one of these equations from the other, we're going to end up with, getting rid of one of the variables. So let's go ahead and do that. So it doesn't really matter which one I subtract from the other. So 6x minus 6x, that leaves us with 0. 8y minus 9y would be negative 1y. And 24 minus 21 is 3. So y is equal to, if I multiply them both by negative 1, is equal to negative 3. Let's go back and substitute to find out the y value. And it doesn't really matter where I substitute, it really doesn't. Maybe I'll do it here. So 2x plus 3, and now we know that y is negative 3 is equal to 7. Okay, so 2x minus 9 is equal to 7. So 2x is equal to, and then we're going to add 9, so we'll end up with 16. And so x is equal to 8. And let's not forget to write the solution to the system of equations. So we have 8, negative 3, and that is it.